back at it again with another video. Welcome to SB'z Garage. Still new to this YouTubing stuff, but today we're gonna get down under the hood and install this oil catch can. I'll show you how to do it and whatnot, and a little assembly that requires to get this done. But let's get into it. All the tools you need for this is a 12-inch socket, wrench, whatever, but 12, and a little prying tool. I got this from Harbor Freight, so cheap and easy, cheap and easy, cheap and easy. Oil catch can. Got your little tubes, one short, one long. You got your little fittings, so we'll go over that, and then your fitting sleeves that go at the end of your tubes. And here's the actual oil catch can. It is from UPR, so check them out. Got it off Amazon. I'll probably link it down in the description. So here. Cool. So here it is, and this is going to sit right here, so it's going to sit like this. Now you're going to have to pry out. So you're gonna have to pry out that piece right there, and let's get into it. Now, this is the tool, the prying tool. You wanna get right in between it and pry it out just like that. Came out, and yeah, pull that off to the side. Another thing you wanna do is, this is the lines that you wanna disconnect, so you wanna pull this out from here and there. So, 1 and 2. I would save this in case you ever want to sell the car or get rid of the car later down the road. I don't really plan on it, but turn it back to stock because this isn't that cheap. We're gonna put this on, and then the oil catch can, and then screw it in. So get it, put on your little washer. And tighten it by hand when you first go. The car's hot, so it's not that easy. Once you get it started, able to get your wrench or ratchet and take it in. Cool, then position it where you want it. So pretty much this leveled with this. And once you get it where you want it, tighten it down. 1, 2, cool. Nice and snug, so it's not going anywhere. Now we get our fittings on. So there is these and your sleeves. And your sleeves are only going to go in one way. If you look at it, this isn't the way. It's going to be this way. You can see that little lip on the other side. So slip it right over, but only one side is going to get these, so put these on first. So get it to the halfway point. Cool, and then the other half's going to go on the other side, and same with this one. Cool. So now this one's going to go over here, but before we do that, you want to put these sleeves on. So right over, nice and decorative, and pop it right in. And you see it's long enough too. Some people do cut these to make them shorter, but I don't really want to cut them. So sleeve on the other side and slide it all the way in. Cool. Verify both sides are in. Good. Now switch this side so you could have it out. Same thing on this side. Sleeve on. And push in. Nice and snug. And the other side is gonna go right here. So sleeve on. And bang. And that's pretty much it. Oil catch can is installed. Owner's manual does say to check every 500 miles until you get used to knowing how much oil gets caught in your car. So check it every 500. We just got this car, so we have barely any miles. So I'll check on first 500 miles, the break-in period. And yeah, that's all it takes. So your pry tool and your socket, or you could even use a wrench. It's easily accessible, but easy install, worth the price. I'll leave the description and the link down below, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. Signing out, SB.
Okay, subscribe for my video. Bye-bye.